welcome back to RJ's Train Time. And where's RJ at?
Right here.
Oh, hey RJ. Well, this week RJ is at home. We have 2 weeks out of school because of everything that's going on with the coronavirus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know this stuff.
Yeah. So we decided to do some homeschooling, and in our homeschool we have science. So we decided that we wanted to do a science experiment today. So what are we making today?
We're gonna make the most famous natural disaster, a tornado.
A tornado. So in order to make this tornado, first thing you need
is soap,
dish soap,
a bottle of water, and gold glitter.
It doesn't have to be gold, but glitter is gonna make it look like debris is flying around and everything. So
yeah, like really matter and other stuff like that.
So let's get started.
Not yet.
What?
There's something else I want to tell you.
What's that?
Yesterday was my birthday.
Oh, yes. So if guys are watching on here, please leave a comment. Happy birthday to RJ. Also, don't forget to subscribe to his channel, because if you don't, what are you doing? And he also has an Instagram, so go follow that. RJ's Train Time.
What else? Sorry, I got a little dramatic.
So let's get started with this experiment. So first you need your bottled water with a lid. So what we did is this was just a regular
then we need our Dawn on.
Yep. So what I need you to do, RJ, is drop 2 drops of soap in here. Just small drops. Okay. I said 2 drops. 2 drops. That was a lot.
Too much.
It's okay though. And you see it floating down. Okay. So now we're gonna do
glitter. The gold glitter.
Yes.
Ancient, like the Great Sphinx statue.
Can you put a little bit in here? Just like a couple shakes. Maybe that'll help you.
Too much.
You think? All right. So
you never have too much glitter.
Right there.
You never have too much glitter.
All right. So now we're gonna put the lid on. You might need a parent to help you make sure this lid is very tight, because you don't want to make a mess. You know.
Right.
So can you shake this up, please, sir? Just up and down.
I'm a shaking master.
Up and down, 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 up and down. This is just gonna make sure there's no clumps of glitter or anything like that. All right, great. Now I need him to spin it like this, counterclockwise or clockwise. It doesn't matter. Just pick it up and spin it. Spin, 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 spin. All right, and stop.
Hold on. There's something.
Oh, there's a little tag on there. So let's spin it again. Make sure it's really tight. And look at that. It's like a tornado. And you can even turn it upside down and be able to see it. Whoa. You see all the glitter at the bottom. It's floating around just like a real tornado. Do you want to take a spin again?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. You got to spin it in circle of motion. Look down what you're doing. All right, now you can put the lid at the top, at the bottom.
Look at that tornado. It's like a EF10 tornado.
Ooh, is that the highest tornado?
Nope. It's an EF20 tornado.
There is.
Yep.
Look at that.
Yeah, now it's an EF5 tornado. EF5 tornadoes move faster than EF10 tornadoes.
That's pretty cool.
And the EF20 tornadoes, those are the slowest of the most tornadoes.
Yeah. So, if you guys like this experiment...
Hold on. What? Fun fact.
Fun fact. What's the fun fact?
Fun fact. It is tornadoes. The most famous tornado went to 160 84 kilometers and lasted for 9 hours.
Wow, that's crazy. So I got a question, one more thing before we go.
Uh-huh.
Where's that place that they have a lot of tornadoes at? What's that?
Tornado Alley.
Oh yeah, Tornado Alley. I almost forgot. Well, what do you need to tell them to do if they like this video?
You have to subscribe and leave a like and a comment.
All right, guys. Well, it was a pleasure. And I guess RJ popped out. If y'all want to see more of RJ, like you said, leave a comment and give us a thumbs up. See you next video. Peace.